Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a Sri Lankan long beans curry. We're going to add in 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Then we're going to add about a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Next we're going to add 8 to 10 curry leaves and 1 small onion. Give it a quick mix. And then we're going to add 1 medium-sized potato. Mix it again. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to add in 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Again, we're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. Make sure that it doesn't burn. Next, we're going to add in our long beans that we've cut into small pieces. As you can see, beans are already covered in a spice mix. The spice mix contains 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. We're also going to add a bit of water, not too much, it's just for everything to mix well, maybe around 3 to 4 tablespoons. After letting it sit for about 5 minutes, we're going to put in our coconut milk mixture. Just mix it well, make sure there are no lumps, and add it to your green beans mix. Then we're going to cover it with a lid and let it cook for a bit. Again, make sure to keep checking it. After about 8 to 9 minutes, you'll see that your coconut milk mix has thickened up a bit. At this point, you know that your curry is ready. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.